Hello friends, welcome back to Joyful IT Consultant YouTube channel. In this video, we will see how to install the Postman tool, which will be helpful for us to debug and test web APIs. So let's get it started. So I'm going to launch my browser, which is Edge, and I'm going to ask for Postman. Oops, Postman download. Okay, and here you go. So yeah, go to www.postman.com and download. I am downloading my 64-bit one. It's almost done. I think this is good. So I'm going to open this file. So that should start the installation wizard as expected. I'm going to minimize this guy to show. I think it is installing behind the scene. It is not asking me anything. Yeah, it got installed. So it is asking me to set up. All I need to do is, so I am setting up my free account. So it is asking your name and some information. How do you plan to use Postman? I will use API documentation, debugging, monitoring. That's it. I don't need create. Okay. I think that's it. So here we go. So once that is set up, we have this home page. So this is where you can test your API, send HTTP requests. For now, what I'm going to do, see here, you can send any request, HTTP request using GET, POST, PUT, and you can send a wide variety of requests to any URL. So we will explore how to use it, but right now we just saw how to install the Postman tool. That's it. So I'll catch you in next video. Bye.